Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. These will be essential for the tasks ahead. First, unplug your Dyson DC05 from the mains to ensure safety. Locate the filter compartment, which is typically found at the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the filter cover. There are usually 2 screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off to reveal the filter. Carefully pull the filter out of its housing. It's advisable to check the condition of the filter. If it appears dirty or clogged, it's time for a replacement. You can find genuine Dyson filters online or at your local appliance store. Now let's clean the filter. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. Avoid using any detergents, as this can damage the filter. Allow it to dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting it. If you find this process too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Next, let's move on to the power plug. Inspect the power cord for any signs of wear or damage. If the cord is frayed, it's crucial to replace it to prevent any electrical hazards. To do this, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum that secure the power plug assembly. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the power plug assembly away from the vacuum. You will see the wiring connected to the plug. Take note of how the wires are connected. It's a good idea to take a photo for reference. Using your pliers, disconnect the wires from the old plug. Now, take your new power plug and connect the wires in the same configuration as the old one. Ensure that the connections are secure and that there are no exposed wires. Once connected, reattach the power plug assembly to the vacuum, securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Before you finish, double-check that everything is in place and that there are no loose screws. If you're unsure about any step, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Finally, reinsert the cleaned or new filter back into its compartment and secure the cover with the screws. Plug your Dyson DC05 back into the mains and turn it on to test if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. By following these steps, you can ensure your Dyson DC05 is running efficiently and safely. Regular maintenance will prolong the life of your vacuum and keep your home clean. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.